Have you ever felt like chasing your dream that means putting your family life on the toss? ये बहुत बार कहा जाता है स्पेशली टू वुमेन इफ़ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन योर करियर आप दो चीज़ में सवार नहीं हो सकते यू हैव टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज आइदर यू हैव टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन योर पर्सनल लाइफ विद योर फैमिली और यू हैव टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन योर करियर बट इज इट दैट रियली ट्रू हम जो एनर्जी what we wanted to put it in the both thing okay why not we can't do this so मैंने जैसे बोला कि as a woman we often listen from the people कि ये हो नहीं सकता but is it true so what I'm going to do in this video I'm going to share certain tips and the certain example which I have gained it from my participant with whom I'm working और जिससे मुझे ये पता चला कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें पॉसिबल हैं एंड हाउ दे आर मैनेजिंग सो रादर देन थिंकिंग कि मैं किसको चूज़ करूँ लेट्स डिसाइड लाइक आई वांटेड टू गो विद द बोथ द ऑप्शन एंड आई वांटेड टू बैलेंस Hello everyone, I am Tejaswita and welcome to my channel that is a Pro Career Ignition and I am your re-entry coach. So I have been working in this industry, in the recruitment industry quite long time. It's been 18 years, over the 18 years. So मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को especially the women को देखा है कि they compromise with their dream thinking like मुझे family में ज़्यादा time देना है so I won't be able to take up this job. And this dilemma is not only I was also same time in the dilemma but like me there are so many women in this world they having a similar dilemma कि कैसे manage करें but is that a dilemma or is it a, like a something is pulling you back not to do something so what I'm going to share 5 strategies जिससे you will understand how to implement that and how you can balance both your personal life and your professional life also because this dilemma is not only for the women who wanted to restart their career but it is for the everyone who are into the professional life who are working right now or who are entrepreneur or who wanted to again come back into the work so this dilemma everyone are having so watch this video until the end because certain experiences which I gain I'm going to share in this video and I'm going to tell where you have to prioritize and where you have to stop certain things so not every time certain thing has to be go as per the things when things wanted so आपको एक limitations कैसे लाना है और किस चीज को आपको priority देनी है we will learn in this video. First point is like a setting up boundaries to honor both the roles. So if both the partners are working, it's very important to respect the time, respect the energy. आप दोनों को अपने boundaries बनाने बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं, especially when you have a family. Because understanding each other's and the thriving into the both career and the family love life, it's very important to understand what other partner is also expecting. So आपको इसमें करना क्या है you have to sit and you have to find out what is the right time to sit together ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि partner is working in the night shift because I come across one case where my client said like my partner is working in the night shift and I have a day shift and we have a kids also but I don't want to compromise on my career so इस scenario में क्या करना चाहिए so I try to understand like what she has a pattern what is the time so आपको भी यही करना है when you are come across such kind of a situation आपको आपके टाइमिंग्स के बारे में if your office timing is at particular time आपको उसी टाइम पे आपका काम ख़त्म करना है because then your quality time will start with your family so understand unless and until you will not set the boundaries you are workaholic no people will say you are workaholic but same time the priority also your family so आपको एक एनर्जी इमोशनल कनेक्शन जो आपको मिलना चाहिए आपके फैमिली के साथ for that you have to give the time and for that you have to set the boundaries so आपको decide कर देना है कि ये particular time is the family I have met one client also he has put in his calendar Like he booked that calendar specially for the family. So he knows that in that particular time, no client meetings will be there, no acceptance of the meeting. This time specially dedicated for the family. So if you're having this kind of a challenge, you can definitely block your calendar and you can mention this is a family time. So जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि one of my client had a challenge. So what they did actually, so they write down all their patterns like what time the person is living, when the person is coming, बच्चे लोगों के क्या necessities है, कौन से time पे they go to school, and the husband is also having a night shift. So wherever they were getting a time, they managed to spend time with them, and that's more important because आपने, if you don't value the time of your partner, which person is at home or spending a time, then you are screwing up many things. So setting up the boundaries is very important, and that is a one crucial thing, is like if you wanted to balance your personal life and the professional life. Second point is like communicating your aspiration clearly to your partner. Yes, many times हम लोग ये भूल जाते हैं कि whatever aspiration we are having, we wanted to build our career, we forgot to talk about that with our partner because we are thinking maybe my partner will think I'm selfish or I'm not interested to take care of the family. But that's not the fact because family made with the people. So हर किसी का एक goal होता है that you have to discuss, whether your partner also has to be discussed. So what happened when you discuss, lot of things come out and personal start understanding each other. There will be no misunderstanding. So open communication is the always the strong foundation for the strong relationship. So I come across one couple recently जहाँ पे they were struggling to spend some time together because my client, she was also having a good job and the her husband was about to start a business. So इसमें time कैसे manage करें? So she was having a lot of dilemma कि कैसे now do I need to compromise now since my husband is starting a new business? तो मुझे क्या करना है? So we started working around like I started working around like to know like when they have a free time, how they can spend more time, and clear communication हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. So after working with them, things started moving very perfectly like them. Why? Because they started spending time and they started talking openly what they want, how they want, and they specially dedicated their weekend certain time to spend with the family and with partner also. जिससे क्या हुआ, they start building a very strong bond, and एक जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट हो रही थी कि वी आर नॉट एबल टू गिव अ टाइम, क्या हो रहा है, दैट हैज़ रिड्यूस एंड स्टार्टेड गेटिंग दी सजेशंस, स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ईच अदर्स के लाइफ में कौन सी चीज़ें हो रही है, एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग सपोर्ट, एंड शी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग कंप्लीट सपोर्ट from the her partner as well as from the kids also. So having an open communication not only strengthen your bond but also reduce unnecessary conflicts which not required in the family. So point number 3 is prioritize your quality over the quantity. So why I'm saying, because in this today's world, in today's era, we are already living in the fast-paced life. People are going for the work almost more than a half day. They are spending at the work only. So in that scenario, it's very important to spend some quality time rather than for focusing on the quantity. So if you are able to spend 20 minutes also with your partner, and that is the most valuable, बहुत much valuable time you're spending, it's sufficient. Because in this world I have right now, like I have seen many couples also, they are together and then they spend hours, but हर कोई अपने मोबाइल पे होता है, they are into their own thoughts, होके भी ना होने जैसे situation. So if you are able to spend 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour also, maybe on the tea, coffee, on the dinner, lunch, बट वो क्वालिटी टाइम होना चाहिए. योर प्रेजेंस हैज़ टू बी देयर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यू आर with your partner but thinking something else. So if you are fully with your partner at that moment, that 20 minutes, 30 minutes also, it's considered very quality time, and you talk so many things. So always focus on the quality rather than focusing on the quantity. And if your partner is complaining like आप मुझे time नहीं दे पा रहे हो, you are not able to give me a time, so focus on the spending a quality time rather than thinking कि मुझे 2 घंटा 4 घंटा 10 घंटा. Yes, we always wanted our partner has to should be with us, but when you are into fast paced life, it's very become difficult. So जो कुछ time आपको मिलता है, be present in that moment so you can enjoy that moment. So if you are facing this challenge, think other way कि rather than spending on the quantity, let's have the quality time together. So point number 4, grow together by sharing a personal development. So many time it happens like say when we don't get the quality time, so we suggest our client like spend time by taking up the course, and maybe enrolling some courses, whatever hobbies you are having, possibly like a person partner is more into the sports, so you can join the sports. If they wanted to upgrade their skills, so they can jointly like as a couple they can together they can join. So what happens when you are together upscaling, or you are working together, your bond become more stronger. So personal development भी हो जाता है, and then you are together also and you build a very strong bond also, and everything is aligned that time. Both of you are aligned like you get to know a lot of things about your partner, and then you start appreciating many more things. Okay, हर किसी में weaknesses होते हैं, but rather than thinking about the weaknesses, if we are working together we get to know a lot of uh, new thing about our partner, and that's helping us to align both energy. So always, if you're finding you're not able to get the time, so grow together by sharing a personal development, by taking up any hobbies or any skill, or you can enroll for any program. So next, fifth point is like be flexible when prioritization is necessary. So whatever point we discuss, all 4 points, if there is a priority, okay, you have to be flexible. It's not only about you, your partner also has to be flexible. So sometimes if you're missing a deadline, openly discuss with your partner like you are having a deadline. So maybe your partner will support you that time to take care of your family. Or when there is a tough time is going on in your partner's life, maybe you stand as a supporter. So flexibility is very important. It's not a thumb rule you have to follow this, but as per our prioritize, you have as per our responsibility, and the you have to prioritize things. So in my life also, when I was in the transition of the career, like especially after my pregnancy break, it was a challenging for me because that time I was completely focusing on my career. So when I discuss with my husband like what are my goals and how I can prioritize, we discuss on the goals first, and then we decide like how we can give the time, and if the workload is extra, how we can spend our weekends. So adjusting the timings is not like a ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको रूल बुक फॉलो ही करना है. यू कैन ब्रेक द रूल्स समटाइम्स बिकॉज यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, बी फ्लेक्सिबल वेन एवर देर इज अ प्रायोरिटी. एनी इमरजेंसी घर पे आ गई है, सो वॉट यू विल डू, यू विल डेफिनेटली गिव द प्रायोरिटी योर फैमिली, राइट? सो but you should aware like how to prioritize what are important thing and what are the responsible thing that you have to understand. And then when you will understand, it is easier for you to follow all above 4 points, and you can easily balance your personal life and the work life. So remember one thing, prioritization, it's not about the neglecting your family. It is about being intentional but very much supportive to your family. So ladies, remember one thing, you don't have to choose between your career and the personal life. Both things can be balanced. You don't need to become a perfection, you don't need to bring the perfection. You just need to learn how to balance things by having open communication, then the putting the intentional, and then understanding, willing to spend quality time with your partner and the family. If you start doing this, you can able to easily balance. As I said, you don't need to become a perfect in that. Balancing is more important. So if you like this video and if you are interested to know more about this topic, you can write me in the comment, because this topic also came by one of my participant only, because she was facing some challenges and I addressed that and I thought of like a creating this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button for this, and the many more topics are going to come. So I wanted to know, before you close this video, I wanted to know like how you have balanced your personal life and the career, and what are the action you have taken. I love to hear. So don't forget to write in the comment section. Till the time, thank you and see you in the next video.